Hello children. Children, we were discussing about structure of the cell. As we discussed that many parts are there which are common in plant cell and animal cell. Okay, like cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. So these are the three main basic parts of the cell: cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Cell membrane is the outer covering of the cell. It protects the cell and gives shape to the cell. Cell membrane separates the cell from one another. It is a semi-permeable membrane which allows the movement of the gases and dissolve substances. Okay, and cytoplasm, it is a transparent jelly like material. Yes, cell has many parts which are present in cytoplasm, and these are called organelles. So organelles means little organs. Children, organelles are the specialized part of the cell. They have unique job to perform. Okay, like in our body is made up of many organs, and each and every organs has a special work. Same like that, organelles have their special job, special work. Let's see. Children, these are the organelles of animal cell: lysosomes, Golgi vesicles, ribosomes, rough ER means endoplasmic reticulum, smooth ER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, cell plasma or cell membrane, mitochondrion, Golgi apparatus, nucleolus, nucleus, centrioles, microtubules and cytoplasm. Okay, these are the organelles of a animal cell. So let's start with nucleus. Nucleus is the main part of the cell. Okay, we can say nucleus is the control center of the cell, because all the activities which are happened in this cell is controlled by nucleus. Okay, nucleus is large spherical shape located in the center of the cell. Okay, nucleus is surrounded with a membrane that is called nuclear membrane. Okay, this nuclear membrane is filled with the dense fluid that is called nucleoplast. Okay, inside the nucleus there is a very tiny dense structure that is called nucleolus.